Okay, now we're going to start with drawing a coordinate grid. So you have a piece of graph paper. Take your piece of graph paper and a ruler, and we are going to draw the X and Y axis. So which direction does the X axis go? Right, horizontal. So we'll make a horizontal line. Try to go straight with the ruler. I know I didn't. So that's your X. And then we're going to make the Y, and that goes vertical. And we label that Y. Okay, now we have to set our intervals. We're going to use each line as one unit. So here we have this, and that is going to be positive 1, or just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I want you to keep going all the way to 10. I know I can't fit it here on my screen. And don't forget that right here is 0. Now, staying on the x-axis, what would this point be? Right, -1. And then keep going, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Okay, we'll pause it here and make sure everybody gets caught up. Okay, great. Now let's continue on the y-axis. So we'll start from the 0 and we'll go up. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again, go all the way to 10. Going down, think of a thermometer. What's the first degree below 0? It is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And again, go down to -10. Okay, now you'll see that I've put 4 coordinates here that I want us to find on your grid. So if you could put those 4 coordinates on your grid, place a dot at the correct coordinate, and label them A, B, C, or D. Take a few minutes to do that now, and then we'll check how it works. Okay, so let's do A first. So that'll be 3, 4. So we want to go to +3, +4, which would go here, and then you label it A. B, we have -6, -2. It's down here, and that is B. C, -4, 4. It's up here, that's a C. And the last one, D, -3, 0, which is here. Remember, any of the ones that have 0 as one of the coordinates are usually pretty tricky, so take an extra minute to make sure you got them correct. Alright, so I hope all 4 of your points match up to this, and we're going to move on to our next exercise.